December 11th. Y'all, Christmas is here. So I'm drinking out of my naughty and nice coffee cup. Y'all, I haven't done any Christmas shopping, and I don't think that I'm going to. Charge it to my head and not my heart. Or actually charge it to my pockets. But next year will be better, I promise. So I'm a little behind. I actually wanted to get up super early, but my bed had a hold on me because I wanted to like clean my entire apartment. I just wanted to like be at home and not do anything today, but change of plans. I have a video that needs to go up today that I'll finish eventually, but Jesus, okay, I need to get dressed. I need to go to the bank and I need to get these nails done. Like, this don't make no sense. At this point, they're probably gonna charge me to take them off and get a new set. And I really don't want that, but I really wanna get my nails done. So enough rambling. Like I said, it's like 9:05. I really need to be out of here by like 9:30 so I can go to Chick-fil-A and get some breakfast. So let me get my life together. Let's see what my hair looks like, y'all. Like, this is how I slept. I just tied the scarf on it. My bonnet is in the wash. All right, y'all. Let me just go hop in the shower so this can kind of fluff out, and I'm gonna look like an actual person when I come back on here. I gotta stop doing this with y'all. Sorry if my car is loud, but it's 10:17 and I am just now making it to Chick-fil-A. I'm in a drive-thru, right? And so I use my Chick-fil-A app, but the Chick-fil-A closest to my house doesn't have like drive-up orders. So my only option is to get in a drive-thru. So I don't even know why I use the app, because it don't make a difference because I still got to sit in this drive-thru line. So, but anyways, I'm about to tell her I already ordered my food. I will be back. Oh, also, look at my hair though. Oh, excuse me, sis. My hair turned out good. I'm so glad I stretched it. I left my AirPods at home, so I couldn't really talk to you while I was in Hobby Lobby, but I was shopping for stickers for my planners, right? And also, did you see that cute little record player? I'm not buying anything for my home right now. I am not gonna buy anything until after I move, but I really want that record player. I do. And also, I spent $20 on stickers, which is why I have to like really stick to this budget, because I do stuff like that. But they were really cute, and I love a good arts and crafts situation. So now the next question is, where do I go get my nails done? Do I go back to the salon where I got these, where they're kind of basic and I don't really know if their skill level is where I need it to be for what I want, or do I try a new nail salon, which I feel like is going to charge me more? That's the whole thing. Like, I feel like they're gonna charge me more, but I want what I want. All right, I'm gonna go to the new one and just say a prayer and let's just get this over with. I know y'all are tired of me vlogging in this car, but listen, the nail salon was such an experience. Like, I didn't even have a chance to like look at the color wall or like pick out my colors. I wanted a design on every nail. Do you see any design at all? No design. And I kind of figured that was going to be the case because I got an older lady. I'm not ageist by any means, but I knew she wasn't going to do my designs. But whatever. It was meant to be because it didn't cost me that much. But I'm low-key disappointed because I drove out here because I figured they would be able to do the designs. But anyways, what time is it? It's like 1 o'clock. And I'm about to go back home and clean my house and edit this video. You know what? We'll talk when I get back home. My hair has really shrunk. And I really hope it don't start raining because I am not prepared. Y'all, it's like 5:15. I can't remember what time it was last time I was on here, but I think I got back home from running errands and everything around like 1. And so I just kind of like chilled out, did some laundry, and got a pizza. And I'm just sitting here watching Alicia Keys on Drink Champs and, you know, attempting to clean. Like, that was the whole point of the day. I know y'all saw me like cleaning my walls and things. So listen, my ceiling and my walls are like, you know, like textured, like they aren't smooth. So when it comes to like dusting and cleaning them, it's like, it's always falling off the ceiling. So I really kind of hate doing it, but it was like so bad that I needed to do it. And so that's why you saw me with like the Swiffer mop and the Swiffer dusters, because I was just like trying out different ways to do it. And yeah, I did use a damp. The mop head that I use, I don't even know if you noticed, but I did use like the Swiffer mop head to like actually like clean the walls and my door. It wasn't soaking wet, so it didn't like stain my walls. I just wanted to clean them. am in this deep clean mood. But I'm probably gonna stop for the night. It's getting dark. I'll probably get up and finish in the morning, but I am rambling. Let me show y'all what I bought today. So you saw me at Hobby Lobby because I was looking at stickers. What is this on my planner? I have already ruined my new planner and I haven't even used it yet. But anyways, I was picking up some stickers to use in my budget mom budget planner and in my regular planner. So of course Hobby Lobby has things for like 40% off, but I still spent more money than I should. But this is like, can you see? It's like the days of the week and also like the date, because I don't want to write it. I'm sure I've already showed you in this budget planner, which I'm probably gonna sit down and work on tonight while I watch Love and Marriage Huntsville reunion, because it's so good to me. But you know, it's not like numbered or dated or anything, and I want this to be a fun, enjoyable experience. So I bought these because it'll be prettier and much nicer. And yeah, like I've already started writing in this. I'm preparing for the new year or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna sit down and kind of work on that and plan some content. I also don't know if I said this out loud, but obviously if you're watching this, I have planned to do kind of like 12 days of Christmas. So it started on Sunday, and if I calculated correctly, I should end on the 23rd. And I wanted to do that because I didn't want to end on Christmas Eve or on Christmas, because I feel like that's when everybody is spending time with their families or really traveling. So yeah, I hope you guys are tuned in. I didn't want to make like a big announcement because I know how I am. I'll jinx myself. But yeah, we're gonna hope I get these 12 videos up. Oh, the other stickers. So the other stickers I got are from the Happy Planner, and it's called Girl with Goals. And I just kind of like the color scheme. And it's just like, you know, little encouraging stickers that I can put in my planners just to kind of keep me going and keep me focused. See, it says like meeting, priorities, 1, 2, 3. Just little scribbles, you know, just to kind of make it fun. Oh my God, you just have to start, because, you know, sometimes you just need to pump yourself up. And yeah. So I'm really excited about these. Yes, I did come home and start cleaning. So I'll put my hair in these because I don't know. I didn't know if I was going back out tonight or what. And I didn't want to like sweat my hair out. But anyways, so I got those stickers, and you saw me stop at the greenhouse. So I got a Christmas cactus, y'all, and it's already like blooming. Oh, I'm so excited about this. And then I got a Hoya retusa, which is so full. I want to put this in like smaller ones because I have so many of the Forever Mood candles that are empty. I cannot wait to move and just have small plants, like small ones like these, all over my apartment in my Forever Mood candle jars, because that, my friend, is going to be a mood and an aesthetic, because those candle jars are just they are just so good to me. So yeah, I picked up those two, and I've just been cleaning. And no, I don't have any holiday decorations up. I do need to put out all my Christmas cards that my family have given me, but yeah, that's really about it. I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the night. Like I said, watch Love and Marriage Huntsville. I will probably watch Merry Little Christmas as well, because I haven't seen the new one. Those are like my favorite Christmas movies. And I'm just gonna chill. Yeah, sorry if this was kind of short, Well, actually, I like that my vlogs are kind of short because I'm not really doing anything. I'm sure you'll see another one within these 12 days of Christmas. Also, thank you guys so much. A lot of the videos I've been posting lately, because I'm super into analytics, my subscribers have been watching more than like people not subscribed, and usually it's the other way around. So obviously I'm making content that you guys are enjoying, so I will take that into consideration and keep that up. But yeah, thank you guys so much. We just hit 1,400 subscribers like this morning. So excited. I can't wait to see what the new year brings, but I'll talk more about that later. I'm rambling at this point. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.